Hey everyone, welcome to How to Start a Blog in Under 5 Minutes. Today this video is going to take you through how to set up your own blog and your own hosting using Bluehost and Wordpress. So follow along this video and we can get you a blog up and running in less than 5 minutes. So first click on the blue link below that sends you to Bluehost. Once you're there, you'll click on the Get Started Now button to start the process. And here in the box, start typing in the domain name of the site you're wanting to start. If you haven't thought of a domain yet, now might be a good time to go back and kind of think through that. And once you're settled on one, you can type it in here, click Next. It takes you to the next screen where it starts putting in your information to actually purchase your domain and all your hosting information. So I've skipped through that and went down, skipped through the credit card information. Here you can read the terms of service and everything for Bluehost and really see how everything that you're going to be doing. And then click Next. You'll see the different options that they provide for you to add on to your current billing. I chose to skip all those and hit the complete stage. This takes a few seconds and then we're taken to a screen where we get to create our password for our Bluehost login account. And there's a lot of different parameters here you have to put in, so make sure you abide by all the rules here, picking a really secure password, or you can use a password generator on the right. Now the first time I went through this, it gave me an error saying that I needed to wait a minute and let my account be created. So I skipped through some of that in the video. It took about an extra 30 seconds for that email to deliver, so I just fast forwarded through that and went back here, clicked Create again, and this takes you to your login screen. So the password that you just created, enter it again here, and it'll take you to your control panel for your Bluehost account. The screen will pop up and don't really need any extra help. If you want to look at some of the resources, you're free to do that. Next thing I want to do is I want to install WordPress. And initially I got this error for installing simple scripts, again because my account was so new. It took a little while to get going. So I clicked it again and boom, it started installing using their Mojo account. And it takes you to this screen, installing WordPress. It's a simple click of the gray install button. And I double check and I want to install it in my home directory of the domain I just purchased, and just checking to make sure everything's going to work there. And then I make sure terms and services, I'm good with those. I hit apply and it starts installing. See, everything takes a little bit just to make sure all the securities and everything are good, and then you'll see a green status bar up there at the top of your page. So as this is installing, they try and give you different ways to make your site look and feel more like your own. So you can download different themes of how your site's going to look. And I opted not to do that. I clicked no. I'm a web designer. There's thousands of different themes out there that you can download and install on your WordPress for free, so you don't have to pay for any through this platform. Once it's done, click on the View Credentials button, and you'll see here you have your URL, your admin URL, username and password. Make sure and copy that password, and then click on the admin URL where you go and log in. Type your username, copy your password in there, and this is taking you into the WordPress portal. How you actually move around in WordPress. You can see all the different options here. We're going to go up to Post. We're going to view the posts that are already live. There's one that's created by default. I go ahead and trash that one. I want to add a new one. So I'm entitling this, "This is my first post." And then put a little content in there. "Congratulations on making your first entry." And then you want to hit publish. It takes a few seconds to actually publish this to your site. Once it's done, the wheels will stop spinning. You can click View Post. I open it in a new tab so you can see it. And this is what your new WordPress blog looks like. So you can click up there in the top left corner and see the home page, and this is my post. And that's really all there is to it. So you've created a new WordPress blog in under 5 minutes. Pretty simple, easy to do. So hope you enjoyed this video, and when you're ready to get started, click the link below.